In a matter of minutes and with just a few steps, you're gonna be able to make a wrap that doesn't fall apart and stays fresh until lunch. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel, I share lots of school lunches that I've packed for my kids over the years. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button. I share new ideas twice a week. Now, to make a wrap, you'll want to use a large burrito-sized tortilla, and on there, you're gonna wanna spread some mayo, hummus, or your favorite dressing all around. You only need a little bit because it's the glue that's gonna help all the ingredients stick to the wrap when you roll it up. I'm gonna place some shredded lettuce in the middle of my wrap, and on top of it, some avocado slices. And at the very end, I'm gonna put the ham on top. I like putting the ham on top so it keeps the ingredients in place. To fold the wrap, you'll first fold the sides in and over the ingredients. Then, while holding the sides in place, fold the back over the filling, and you'll wanna tuck the sides in as you roll it forward. No matter how much or how little you stuff your wrap, tucking the ingredients in as you roll is essential to keep them all inside. Now, let's slice it in half so you can see how delicious it is. Check it out. Now, if you're packing it for school, place it inside a lunch container, add some delicious sides, and close it up. Now place an ice pack in the lunch bag to keep everything cool, and you're good to go. Make sure to check the description box for more delicious lunch ideas. See you next time.